Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook violet camote, only way. Preheat oven to 400 degrees F and scrub the camote dry. Roast whole for concentrated sweetness or slice for crisp edges, toss with oil and salt. Use a fork to test tenderness, about 45 to 60 minutes depending on size. Finish with butter, a squeeze of lemon, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for balanced flavor and warmth. If you prefer stovetop cooking, slice the violet camote into even pieces for fast, consistent results. Heat a skillet to medium, add oil, and arrange slices without overcrowding for crisp edges. Cook until caramelized, flipping once, about 5 to 8 minutes per side depending on thickness. Season immediately with salt, pepper, or your favorite spice blend so flavors cling. Serve hot for the best texture and taste. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you cook or carry ingredients to the table, and it fits cup holders for convenience. I find it handy during long prep sessions and outdoor grilling alike. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Violet camote works as a sweet side or savory base, so think beyond plain roasting. Mash with a splash of milk and butter for a creamy side, or cube and toss into salads and bowls for texture contrast. For a savory twist, mix with herbs, garlic, and a squeeze of lemon. Leftovers crisp up nicely in fried rice or hashes, making this simple tuber endlessly useful and satisfying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.